Right-click functions explained. Edit. When you right-click on any part and select the Edit option, you can modify the material type, grade, thickness, quantity, markup, and grain direction for that particular part. You can also select multiple or all parts to apply changes using the Edit function. Delete. This option will delete the selected parts from the list. Use with caution, as this action is irreversible without re-adding the parts. Duplicate. The duplicate function creates an identical copy of the selected part and places it at the bottom of the part list. This is useful if you need to create multiple copies of the same part for the quote. Operation. The operation function allows you to add any auxiliary operations, such as bending, deburring, or welding, to the selected part. You can also remove previously added operations by selecting this option. Merge selection. This option merges two or more selected parts that are the same shape and size into one part. This is particularly useful when you have split a part into multiple segments and need to combine them back into a single entity. Remove add material costs. If the customer supplies the materials, you can use this option to remove the material costs associated with the part. If you accidentally remove the material cost, you can reapply it by selecting Add Material Cost. Actual area and bounding box area. By default, SmartCut Quote calculates the material cost based on the rectangular bounding box of the part. However, if you're in a competitive situation, you can select the Actual Area option, which calculates the precise area of the part, potentially lowering the material cost by using the exact dimensions. Remove minimum cost. If you have set up a minimum cost per line item under Settings, Miscellaneous, Other Costs, this will be applied by default. You can remove the minimum cost for a part by selecting the Remove Minimum Cost option.